Hello, we are the
Science Genies!
And today we're going to be talking about sound and how it travels through our ears.
Now we're going to be talking about the link between loud and quiet sound and the size of the vibration. For example, if you would hit a drum, the skin would vibrate. However, first it would be loud and then it would be quieter.
When the sounds travel through the air, first it travels through the air canal, then through the eardrum.
Wait. Isn't the cochlea the drum thingy?
No, it's shaped like a snail.
Is it a real snail?
No! It's just a figure of speech. After the bones of your ear then to the cochlea. When it travels to the hairs of the cochlea, it gives a signal to your brain. This happens very quickly.
Did you know that if your eardrums burst because it's too loud, you might be deaf? I hope you have learned something. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Bye.